Here at Stateline Solar, we pride ourselves in being the local solar energy experts in Northwest Illinois. Since 2017, we've helped hundreds of customers make the switch to solar energy for their home, farm, or business. We use top-rated quality materials and some of the most powerful panels on the market to optimize your solar production. But how does this process start? You can start by submitting a copy of your power bill online at StatelineSolar.net. Our solar designers will make a customized design to your specific energy needs. Once the design is approved, this design is turned into a free, no-hassle quote, and a sales consultant will discuss the proposal with you and schedule a site evaluation. Need financing? No problem. We've partnered with German American State Bank to offer zero-down solar financing. We submit all permits and interconnection applications once the contract is signed. Then, when applications are approved, installation can begin. Installation can take up to 2 to 3 days, depending on the size of the system. Your system will begin producing clean solar energy once final applications are approved. Finally, you can enjoy your newly installed solar array. We also offer additional services such as solar maintenance and inspections, energy backup systems, and EV charger installation. Get started today by getting your free quote at StatelineSolar.net. Stateline Solar, your total energy solution.